This is Michael. When he was in college, he was badly crushing on a girl. He didn't eat and sleep very well because of her. In fact, he gave her too much attention than she required. Unfortunately, it didn't work for him. She ignored them every time when she saw him, and even worse, he had sent her an Instagram request long back, which she never accepted, even though they shared some moments together. He had lost the track of his studies, and his energy was invested in pleasing her. By seeing the results, he decided to talk to the wise man and ask him about how to get a girl to like you, and the wise man answered with a golden rule. He told him a great advice. He said, "If you chase a girl, she will never chase you back." He worked on his advice. He kept ignoring her, hoping that she'd one day realize. This process of ignoring her went on for a month, and soon he got used to it. He had started focusing more on his studies. One day, a notification popped up on his Instagram profile. "Lauren accepted your friend request." A message followed the notification. She wrote, "Hey, congrats. You did really well on the math exam. I heard about it." He couldn't believe it. He was so happy. Conversation continued. "Lauren, you had feelings for me, didn't you?" Michael replied. "Did I? I never told you." Lauren, "No, you didn't, but your actions spoke for you." Michael, "I don't even remember. I was shy." After a pause, she again messaged, "Do you still have feeling for me? You never know when things take a turn." Michael, "Well, I'll tell you when we talk face to face. See you." Finally, Michael learned how to impress a girl. And you can too. Let me explain. Girls like a confident man with goals in life. If you see, Michael had wasted his time giving Lauren excessive attention which he never wanted. She was never impressed because he had no impressive qualities to impress her. She wasn't wrong either. She simply wanted a guy who has goals and he's working for. Why would a girl fall for someone who doesn't have a purpose in life? If you wonder how to boost your confidence to impress a girl you like, I give you 5 killer actions. Are you ready? Let's hop into it. Number 1. Groom yourself. This seems like it's such an obvious one, but it's amazing how much of a difference a shower and a shave can make in your feelings of self-confidence and for your self-image. There have been days when I turn my mood around completely with this one little thing. Number 2. Dress properly. If you dress properly, you feel good about yourself. You feel successful and presentable and ready to tackle the world. Now, dressing nicely means something different for everyone. It doesn't necessarily mean wearing an expensive outfit, but could mean casual clothes that are nice looking and presentable. Number 3. Get prepared. It's hard to be confident in yourself if you don't think you do well at something. Build that feeling by preparing yourself as much as possible. Think about taking an exam. If you haven't studied, you won't have much confidence in your abilities to do well on the exam, right? But if you studied, you are prepared and you'll be much more confident. Number 4. Empower yourself with knowledge. Empowering yourself in general is one of the best strategies for building self-confidence. You can do that in many ways, but one of the surest ways to empower yourself is through knowledge. This is along the same vein as building competence and getting prepared. So by becoming more knowledgeable, you'll be more confident, and you become more knowledgeable by doing research and studying. The internet is a great tool, of course, but so are the people around you, people who have done what you want: books, magazines, and educational institutions. Number 5. Get active. Doing something is almost always better than not doing anything. Of course, doing something could lead to mistakes, but mistakes are part of life. It's how we learn. Without mistakes, we'd never get better. So, don't worry about those. Just do something. Get off your butt and get active, physically or active by taking steps to accomplish something. Guys, there are 5 killer actions that you can use today to get your crush to like you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button down below to get notified of new videos.